and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Here is where I ignite your desire to become your most successful self. Today I want to start a new series sharing the processes that I use with my clients. They are designed and tailored to their exact needs, depending on where they are and what they want to achieve. So every first Wednesday, I would introduce a new process. I hear you ask a question, what is a process? Let me first explain what the law of attraction is. The law of attraction is the ability to attract into our lives whatever we are focusing on. Whatever we broadcast out into the universe is joined or attached to the energies that are an equal frequency. And how the law of attraction is often expressed is like attract like. What you focus on expands. Where your attention goes, your energy flows. And how to apply the law of attraction consciously, I like to explain it as when you ask, you believe, and it's given. Are you enjoying the video so far? Click on the like button, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you to all those who have. Share the video to anyone that would see the value. So for anyone to manifest anything, you need to ask some questions. Because for every question, there is an answer. So if you want your desires, you want the answers to come to you, put it out there. That is the first part to ask. Then you need to believe, the second part. The believing is a tricky part for most people, as they assume they figured it out because of what they already know, and it is blocking their receiving. An explanation of this, it could be, oh, it can't come this way because of XYZ. It's not going to work for me because of XYZ. The trick, you need to be open to the idea the answer is out there, because these blocks are blocking the answers coming to the question. Which brings us to the third part, and this is the natural part here. You do nothing. When you've done the first two steps, then the giving would happen. So it has to be an easy ask, and knowing the answer is out there. So I'll start sharing the processes I use to guide my clients, and I'll be uploading them every first Wednesday. Do you have a particular process you'd like me to share first? Or have you got any questions, to be sure to ask in the comment section below. Subscribe so you don't miss out on this, and remember to be you, do you, and bye for now.